Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Eve 24-hour ergonomic task chair with and without headrest. Assembly guide. Included in the box are A. Gas strut, B. 5-star base, C. 5 casters, D. Seat pad with mechanism attached, E. A pair of arms marked L and R, F. 6 25mm long bolts, G. 3 25mm long bolts, H. 3 flat washers, I. 3 spring washers, J. Seat back, 1 4mm Allen key, 1 5mm Allen key. If ordered with the optional headrest, the pack will also include 2 bolts, 1 plastic cover and 1 Allen key. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Next, using the 6 25mm bolts, part F, attach the arms to the seat pad. Each arm is marked underneath with L or R to indicate if it's left or right-handed. We recommend you use the Allen keys provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Attach the backrest between the seat pad and the mechanism like this, using the 3 25mm bolts, part G, the 3 flat washers, part H, and the 3 spring washers, part I. Insert the bolts through the mechanism and into the seat back. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Next, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. If ordered with the optional headrest, firstly remove the plastic cover from the rear of the chair back and fasten the headrest into position with the 2 bolts provided. Finally, push the cover plate into the recess. Please keep the Allen keys to check the main bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Eve Executive 24-hour ergonomic task chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.